Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Aweber affiliate link tracking for USA audiences, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Aweber account. Navigate to the Affiliates tab on the left sidebar. Click on Affiliate Links to view all your links. Select the specific affiliate link you want to verify. Copy the affiliate link by clicking on the link icon. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Press the Enter key to visit the link. Observe the landing page that loads. Check for any tracking parameters in the URL. Look for your unique affiliate ID within the parameters. If your ID appears, it means the link is correctly tracking. To further confirm, complete a test sign-up on the page. After signing up, return to your Aweber dashboard. Navigate back to the Affiliates tab. Click on Reports to view tracking information. Locate the relevant statistics for the test sign-up. Ensure that your test entry is recorded in the reports. If you see your information, your tracking is successful. If not, double-check your referral link for any errors. Make sure you are using the correct tracking parameters. Repeat the testing process for other links if necessary. Ensure all affiliate links are functioning properly. This verifies that your Aweber affiliate link tracking is working for USA audiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.